Hello, fellow creatives. Welcome or welcome back to Seed. Okay, so as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be making a cute summer top. Okay, and this video was actually inspired by one of y'all, Michelle. I think she dropped a comment saying that she really loves the top and she wants a tutorial from it. And I was like, say no more. Okay, say no more. So yeah, that is just after that. If you want to see how I made this beautiful, cute crop top, then make sure you keep on watching.
Alright guys, so in order for you to cut out all the pieces that you would need, you have to work with the following measurements. Okay, so these measurements are supposed to be cut out if you want to use just one fabric, as the top that I wore previously. But if you wanted to have two different fabrics, then the only difference is that the width measurement, which is the neck to elbow, you're just going to divide that into two, and then you're going to cut two pieces with that divided measurements. Do you understand what I mean? So your neck to elbow just divided by two, but the length is going to be the same, as well as the belt piece is going to be the same. The only difference is that it's just going to be divided into two if you wanted to have two different
So
fabrics.
what I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to put this right sides facing each other. And then I'm just going to sew these parts together like this so that it becomes one piece. Okay guys, so now it's like this. What we're going to do, so we're going to take it and top stitch like this. Okay, so the reason why we're top stitching towards this side is because this part frees but this part doesn't. Okay, so if we top stitch on this, then it's going to be neat inside. Okay guys, so we are done with this and I'm really loving how it turns out. I love the details. So if you're working with fabric that doesn't fray, then you don't need to hem it. For instance, if this fabric was the fabric all through, I would have definitely not hemmed this piece. But since it's fabric that frays, yeah, so you have to hem it. So I'm just gonna go ahead to hem it. Just do a double hem with this, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is what we should have. So this piece, two pieces, I have the measurements on the screen, as well as this one. So this is one that we're going to be adding the elastic to. So yeah, let's continue. Since this is going to be the outer part, I don't want the outer part to have the pleats, right? Because I don't want it to look, too weird. So we're not going to be starting from this part. So we're just going to be measuring 3 inches outwards. So the point that is close to 3 inches, that is the point that we're going to be starting with. Okay. So you just want to take this one, and then you're just going to place it like this. And then you're just going to pin it down 1.5 inches. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, so
So for further clarification, what you want to do is that you want to get the width of the top, and then you're just going to pleat it, make random pleats till you get the full measurement of the width to be quarter of your underbust measurement. Okay, and after you do that, you're just going to make a stitch just to secure the pleat in place. And then once you do that, that is literally that. Then you want to do that for all of the other edges of the pieces that you have. So to start sewing the belt situation, you just want to join it together at the width with the right sides facing each other, if that applies to you, to your fabric. And then you just want to sew all the way down. Okay, and then once you do that, then you're just going to go ahead to open it up to the right side, and then you're going to fold it into two. Okay, so you fold it into two with the right side, and you want to make sure that the seam align properly. So then after you do that, then you're going to go ahead to get the middle point on the other side. Okay, and in order for you to do that, you just want to get that seam at the side, and at the other end you're just going to notch it like so. So that would enable you to get the middle part on both sides of the belt situation. Okay, and then once you do that, it is time for you to join the body of the top to the belt situation, and then you want to start from where you notched. Okay, you want to start from where you notched, and then you just want to place the body of the top into the belt, okay, into the two layers of the belt that are on the fold. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And then after that, you just want to place it, and then you're going to go ahead to pin it inside so that it stays intact and it stays inside. And then you want to do that for the back panel as well. And then once you are done, all you just want to do is that you just want to sew it all the way down. So you're going to be stop stitching on all the layers, but you're going to leave that side open so that you'll be able to pass the elastic through that side, okay? And then for the elastic, I just went ahead to remove about 6 inches from my underbust measurements, but I had to remove it, like I had to remove more. So I guess you can just remove like 10 inches if you want it to be really tight on your body. And then after that, just cut it out, and then you want to use your safety pin to just pass the elastic through the tunnel. And then once it goes round and you bring it out, you just want to secure the two ends of the elastic together with the safety pin so that one doesn't enter the hole again. And then you just want to tack that place and just ensure that the two elastic bands are together, and then you just want to place it inside and then just top stitch on that part that is open, and voila, you have your top. So it's really, really easy to make. This is a top that you can make in 15 minutes, 20 minutes max. So yeah, I really do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you learned something new, and I hope that you'll be trying it out for yourself this summer. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.